everyone, so today I'm doing the Blue Ranger. That's side view, front view. And so the colors in the Blue Ranger are gold, silver, and blue. So I'm doing this. Last week I said I used Tiara. I was using Grand Tiara. This is the Tiara. And then this is the Goldilux. This is the old formula. Supposedly she improved the formula. So on my eyes, I have gold, the NYX gold pencil. That's what I have on my lids. Start with the gold, with Goldilux. All right. The color I'm going to be using today is Velocity. So like I said last week, I was using Grand Tiara. Okay, it seems like it's softer. It's more of a shimmer or glittery color, and Grand Tiara was more pigmented, and then the newer one, the Silver Lake, is really pigmented. And I go over wherever the blue went and get into that gold and just cover up that spot. Alright, so just gonna do, again, regular black liner, put the lashes on, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I decided to use my pinky blush from NYX. I finished two, almost finished the orange, and hit pan on that pink. I decided to use that as the blush, and again, still using the NYX Wicked Silver on the lips. I did put the gold on the inner corners, and so that's what I did for that.